Hello everyone, today I show you to create mail. Now you can create mail on YouTube browser. Now we create mail at Safari. This search Gmail create. Go. Click this one. Create a Gmail. Click. Wait, my internet slowly. You can create Gmail, no number phone. So easy. Now you can follow me. Create an account. Follow me step by step. First name, your first name and your last name. Now my first name Eric Chan Ni Eric Chanel, and click button next. On your birthday, enter your birthday. Now mail, click button next. Create your Gmail. Use your excited Gmail. That Alex Channel 447 998. Click button next. No. Click button next. Create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mix of letter, number, and symbol. This step, add recovery mail, the address where Google can contact you if there are show activity in your account or if you get logged off. Now you click skip. This step, click next. Scroll up. Address. Successful. This mail created done. You can use this mail for Facebook, YouTube, and other. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.